Hey everybody, Landon here with HealthSource of Marshall coming at you with the Wellness Wednesday tip of the week. My tip this week here is we're going to be going over some wall slides or some towel slides. You can use a towel, a shirt, any piece of cloth works. This is a great stretch to help get some range of motion back in a shoulder that might be causing some discomfort. The first one is we're going to be in the frontal plane or out front. Keeping my head back, I can certainly use my other hand to help stabilize. Controlling to slide my arm up for a nice stretch and then back down. I want to make sure that I'm keeping my head back and I'm not rotating or getting any pinching. The other one is I can go in the sagittal plane or towards the side, taking my hand, starting at 90 degrees, keeping my tall posture, sliding my arm up for a deep stretch and back down. Repeat this for 5 to 10 reps, and if you listen to your body when it whispers, you won't have to hear it scream. Bye everybody.